Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best washing machines of 2024. From unconventional technology to energy efficiency, these machines are the ultimate laundry game changers. Whether you're looking for smart features, quiet operation, or superior cleaning power, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find out which washing machine is the perfect fit for your home. Number 5. TCL P3. TCL's new P3 series washing machines are designed to meet the needs of modern households with high-performance features and eco-friendly benefits. Rated an energy class, these machines ensure energy efficiency and cost savings. The P3 series is powered by a BLDC inverter motor, which provides high spinning speeds for superior cleaning. The inclusion of a steam wash feature ensures deep cleaning and sanitization, while the antibacteria gasket prevents mold and bacteria buildup, keeping your laundry hygienic. With a large 360mm drum opening, loading and unloading laundry is effortless. The drum clean feature maintains the cleanliness of the machine, and the 24Hz delay end option offers flexible washing schedules. The unique hexagonal honeycomb drum design, along with a stronger S-shaped spray lifter, ensures gentle handling of clothes while enhancing wash performance. Additional features include a quick wash cycle that completes in just 15 minutes and an auto-weight system that adjusts water usage based on the load size. The Add Garment function allows you to pause the cycle to add any forgotten items. Priced at $599, the TCL P3 series combines sleek, elegant design with advanced technology, making it a top choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking high-quality and environmentally friendly washing solutions. Number 4. GE Profile PTW900BPTRS. The GE Profile PTW900BPTRS is a Paramount washing machine that combines advanced technology with aptitude performance. With a total capacity of 5.4 cubic feet, this washer can handle large loads with ease, reducing the time and effort needed for laundry. Featuring a stainless steel wash basket and a maximum spin speed of 800 revolutions per minute, the PTW900BPTRS ensures durability and efficient water extraction. The adaptive smart dispense system can hold enough detergent for up to 32 loads, and with the Smart HQ app, it dispenses the correct amount based on the detergent type. Enhanced Smarter Wash technology optimizes cleaning power and fabric care for each cycle, while Smart Flex Dispense offers dedicated dispensers for detergent, detergent packs, fabric softener, and other additives. The Power Pre-Wash feature tackles heavily soiled items in a single cycle. The washer is equipped with microban antimicrobial technology to prevent odor-causing bacteria growth. User convenience is enhanced with voice assistant compatibility, LED cycle status lights, and a digital cycle countdown. The machine also features quiet wash technology and tangle control for a quieter and more efficient wash. Energy Star qualified, the PTW900BPTRS offers various wash options, including deep fill, tangle control, and 4 rinse levels. Priced at $899, this washer is an excellent investment for that aptitude, smart, and efficient laundry solution. Number 3. Samsung WW9400B. The Samsung WW9400B Bespoke AI Series 8 washing machine is an advanced solution designed to revolutionize your laundry experience. With a generous 11-kilogram capacity, this machine is perfect for large households. The WW9400B operates at a spin speed of 1400 revolutions per minute and maintains a noise level of just 72 decibels, making it a quiet addition to your home. It has a B rating for spin efficiency, consumes 54 liters of water per cycle, and uses 53 kilowatt-hour per 100 cycles. The Super Speed function delivers spotless clothes in just 39 minutes. Key features include AI Control, AI Wash, and AI EcoBubble, which utilize artificial intelligence to optimize cleaning. The EcoBubble technology creates lovely bubbly foam that penetrates fabric quickly, offering up to 70% energy savings and up to 24% better soil removal, along with 45.5% better fabric care. The WW9400B also boasts SpaceMax technology, allowing for a larger drum without increasing the external dimensions. Other notable features include auto dispense, bubble soak, child lock, delay end, drum clean plus, intensive wash, and quick wash. The machine's smart capabilities are enhanced with Wi-Fi connectivity and SmartThings app support, ensuring seamless integration with your smart home setup. Built to last, the WW9400B is powered by digital inverter technology, providing a quiet and durable performance backed by a 20-year warranty. Priced at $999.99, this washing machine combines efficiency, innovation, and elegance, making it an excellent investment for any modern household. Number 2. LG WM6700H. The LG WM6700H is a powerhouse in the world of washing machines, boasting a 5.0 cubic feet mega capacity to fit more in every load. Perfect for large households, this smart front-load washer integrates advanced AID 2.0 technology, and with TurboWash 360-degree technology, you can power clean big loads in less than 30 minutes, making laundry faster and more efficient. The LCD digital dial control with LED display provides helpful information with each turn, ensuring an intuitive user experience. The built-in AI technology selects the optimal wash settings, removing the guesswork from laundry day. One of the standout features is the smart pairing capability, where the washer can communicate with the dryer to select a compatible drying cycle, simplifying the laundry process even further. The automatic detergent and fabric softener dispenser ensures the right amount is used, eliminating the need for frequent refills. For added flexibility, the LG Sidekick pedestal washer allows you to wash small loads that can't wait, or even 2 loads simultaneously. The Think app offers access to smart functions, enabling remote control and monitoring of your wash cycles. Priced at $1,199, the LG WM6700H is a greatest choice for those seeking efficiency, intelligence, and confidence in their laundry routine. Number 1. PTW900BPTRS. The PTW900 Speedies is a top-tier front-load washer with a spacious 5.3 cubic feet capacity, making it ideal for large loads. This Energy Star certified machine ensures energy efficiency and cost savings. Featuring a stainless steel wash basket and a maximum spin speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute, it delivers powerful and efficient cleaning. The washer offers 12 versatile cycles, including a steam washer function with adaptive smart dispense, which intelligently dispenses the right amount of detergent for each load. One of the standout features is the one-step wash plus dry, allowing you to wash and dry small loads in the washer itself, eliminating the need to transfer clothes to a dryer. This feature, along with the advanced smart AI capabilities like UltraFresh Vent System Plus with odor block and adaptive My Settings, makes laundry more convenient and efficient. The machine's connected capabilities include integration with Amazon Alexa, offering hands-free control. Additional washer control features like control lock, variable cycle signal, digital cycle countdown, and LED indicators enhance user experience. The dynamic balancing technology, DBT, ensures quiet operation by rebalancing uneven loads during the spin cycle. The reversible door provides installation flexibility, while the power steam feature penetrates deep into fabrics for enhanced cleaning. The Sanitize Plus allergen cycle eliminates 99% of common bacteria and allergens, ensuring hygienic laundry. Priced at $1,199, the PTW950S PTDS offers exceptional performance, convenience, and energy efficiency. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our roundup of the top 5 best washing machines of 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and recommendations. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy washing!